Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see already by the title, I'm excited because this is my first time ordering from Skims and I received this package yesterday, so why not, you know, do a unboxing or like a haul. And it comes with this like package, like the whole stuff was in here, and I just took this out. Okay, so I didn't order a lot because I just want to try some of the like cotton bikini and their new, I don't think it's still new, like the rib line. So anyways, first things first is this Cork Control solution wear. It comes with this nice packaging. I like the packaging right there, and I got the size small/medium, and the color is onyx, which is like black. Let me just, okay, so oh my god, look how tiny that is. But I have to like literally try this on, you guys, but I'm not gonna show it to you because it's you can literally probably see like my whole, you know, butt cheeks. But I'm definitely just gonna update you on the description box, or I'll leave a comment like pinned down in my comment section down below, like how I feel about this. But it's stretchy. I hope that this will fit me because this is so tiny. Look, so there's like plastic. I think this is like the stopper, and this small/medium 78 79 nylon 32% spandex. Okay, so I will just put a picture of what actually they look like, you guys, because I'm not gonna try this on. So, and that's that. I think the price is 30 something. Hold on. So the price for that one is $28 US. Okay, so next one is this bralette, which is, this is the one that I'm really excited for, and I believe the name of this is Cotton Plunge bralette, and then the name or like the color is Suit, which is like black. So this is what it looked like, and I can't wait to actually try this on right there. And it's really soft, and there's no foam in it at all. So I'm just gonna, there you go. So that's the cotton looks like, and the Skims, they put like a little tiny, the brand name there, Skims. Also the price for this one is $36 US. So yeah, I will, like I said earlier, I'm gonna like try this on later after the video, and I'll update you guys on the comment section. Okay, next one, they come out with this like little tiny plastic, or it says, I'm not plastic, but right there, but I just took them out on the plastic so it's easier for me to show you guys. And to pair this bralette, I got the, I believe this is the brief, which is looks like my husband's brief. This is the cotton rib brief. So everything, like I said, I'm not gonna try it on, but I will put a picture here of what they look like so you guys can see. So this is cheaper than the other one. It is $28 US, and I also get the color Suit, which is, you know, black, but that's how it looks like. It's very, I would say very high-waisted. Yeah, and I like high-waisted, and you can see they put the Skims there, like the brand. And yeah, this reminds me of my husband's underwear and boxers. Let's see here. Okay, I got the size medium as well. I got everything medium. Okay, so next one is, they were having, I don't know if they're still having on sale, I have to check it out, but they were having a buy three, I think buy three you'll save more. So the original price for this cotton string bikini is $18, but if you buy three, you'll only pay $12. So I got the cotton string bikini, the black one, which is Suit, and then the white one, which is Bone. I was gonna get like the green one, but they were out of stock, and also like I think it was like the light purple or like dark purple one, but they were all out of stock. So I just got like an extra, I got extra small for my friend. I'm gonna give that to my friend. So this is what the cotton string bikini looks like. And you know that it's already summer, and I have like a lot of bikini tops, like plain bikini tops, that I forgot to pair it with like bikini underwear. So I think I might just gonna pair them with this right here. This is the black one, and I like the string, so that's that. And I like the tag, I really do. Oh, actually they have the Skims here in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there. So it's very I would say very like Baywatch vibes, like very high-waisted, and I like high-waisted. I don't know, I just prefer high-waisted than like the lower bikini. I don't know if that's just me, but I prefer bikini high-waisted, like especially the bottom ones. So I think that's it, you guys. I literally just got like couple of the, you know, like the stuff, because I don't want to like pay a lot of money and then ending up not liking it. So I'm gonna like try them on right now, and then I will let you guys know if it's worth the money or worth buying. But anyway, you guys, that is all for today's video. Like I said, I'm gonna update you guys on the comment section down below to let you guys know my honest opinion about the stuff that I purchased from Skims, because I know they're really expensive. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.